My name is Zakaria. This is my channel Omega. In Malaysia, welcome to Malaysia. Walk around the streets. We can start now. Please, if you are the first time, make sure to subscribe my channel. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's go to walk with natural sound. This is my last time. I wanted to conclude my video for you watching. Thank you very much. Everything is good. If you have a comment, write in comment section, please. Thank you very much for you watching. This is my last time. I wanted to go my home. I wanted to go my hotel. My hotel is called Smile Hotel. Thank you very much. Installation, Central Park installation. What is this? These are motorcycles. Motorcycles, so beautiful. 15 minutes. Very young people. Happy. Hot for everything. Everything is good. I wanted to go for the street. Stop here, please. So beautiful. And the sunset just rise and go away. Thank you very much. This is still Central Bank. So beautiful. And this side, Public Bank. Central. Are you here? Welcoming me. I wanted to walk Malaysian people. Malaysian people are so happy. Muslims, food halal, everything is good. No detection. Okay, look. It is Central Bank. Down here for the people is Central Bank, okay? Can you subscribe my YouTube channel? Walking here. More time. Good food. Here, please. You have Malaysia. I'm walking still. Central Bank. Central Bank. It's raining time. Raining time. So Central Bank 1, 2, and 3. Right, 3. After. Okay, are you looking for? Is this good? I take for one picture. Do you look, please? So beautiful. Malaysian is so beautiful. So good, so right. Malaysian people are so kind. So kind, visual. Okay. Please, with this right side. This is the right side of my back. This right side of my back. Okay, please. I wanted to get my first and clients. Okay. Is it for Central Bank or not Central Bank? Maybe the Central Bank. Not walking here. I can do everything. Please subscribe more. Subscribe more and more. Subscribe more and more. Thank you very much. So beautiful. You see, please. So beautiful. Welcoming people. Okay, I'm walking around the street. I'm walking around the streets. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help me. If you are the person see my video, please make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe my video. Make sure to subscribe my video. I want to go there. There is nobody. There is nobody. I'm holding you. Do you see everything? You can see everything, right? This is natural sound. This is natural sound. Walking around Malaysia. Walking around Malaysia. Walking around Malaysia. So beautiful. Malaysian people are so happy. So beautiful. This is Setterback Central. This is a Setterback Central. Okay. City Central Setterback City or Central Setterback. Okay. Go ahead and subscribe my YouTube, please. Inshallah, thank you. Everything will good. Everything will good around here. Everything will good around here. Thank you for your watching. Malaysian people are so happy. It is raining. It is raining, please. It is raining. I am in here. I am so tired to record a video. Still I'm requesting for you to subscribe my channel. Malaysian people are so happy. Please subscribe and subscribe for more. So beautiful. Malaysia is so beautiful. Let us go and walk around here. Make sure you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Malaysia, walking around. This sound is natural. This sound is so natural. You are looking well, right? You are looking well. Let's go and move around here. Let's go move around here. The places are good. Malaysian people are so happy. So Muslims. And no description. You know, no description, no problem. You are making a good video. Okay. If you like it for the video, and comment your idea. This is the first time I am here. I am here for walking the streets. First time. This is the first time to walk in here. This street is good idea. Okay. If you are in Malaysia, I'm requesting you to visit around the Malaysia, beautiful places of Malaysia. If you are Malaysian people, I'm ordering you, I'm requesting you to film your area and help you. No restriction and no problem either. Okay? No problem, no filming here. Thank you very much. All around here, all the Malaysian people are so happy. And you, are you happy too? In the comment section. Look, all the cars in the street. All the people are not walking here. They have cars. They have cars only. Cars, motorcycle, buses, and trains. Look my areas. Okay. Look my areas. So beautiful, right? Malaysian are so beautiful. Malaysian are so beautiful. Don't worry about everything will be good. Don't worry about everything will be good, inshallah.